Accounting and tax preparation services in Edmonton. Whether you're looking for professional help with your taxes, or need a tax preparer to handle your books, there are several accounting and tax preparation services in Edmonton. From a small business to a larger corporation, there are services available to fit your needs. What to look for in Canadian personal tax preparation. Before choosing a tax professional, you should know what to look for when it comes to Canadian personal tax preparation. Individuals and self-employed taxpayers must file their tax returns by April 30th. BOMCAS Accounting and Tax Preparation Services in Edmonton. BOMCAS Edmonton Accounting and Tax Professionals specializes in personal tax preparation for both individuals and businesses. The team or accountants have many years of experience working with private businesses and high-net-worth individuals. The Edmonton accounting team provides full-service tax preparation for individuals and businesses. They also provide tax planning services and business consulting. If you're interested in getting help with your personal taxes, you've probably heard about the CRA's new online tools. Whether you're preparing a personal tax return for Canada or you're just curious about how to do your own taxes, a Canadian personal tax preparation online course can be a great way to get started. Some of these courses cover all of the basics, including income taxation, personal property taxation, capital gains tax, and business income. They also teach you how to complete your personal tax returns, either manually or using tax preparation software. The cost of Canadian personal tax preparation varies depending on the complexity of the return and the number of slips or schedules to be completed. Clients are expected to provide all information and documents required for the tax return, and the tax preparer will return all documents and slips to the client upon the completion of the service. Maximize your profits with Canadian corporate tax preparation. If you're wondering how to maximize your profits with Canadian corporate tax planning, you should be aware of the latest developments. Many businesses in Canada are choosing to use a professional tax preparation service to ensure that their taxes are done accurately and timely. Many of these services offer comprehensive tax planning, bookkeeping, and payroll services for companies. They also offer the requisite tools to help businesses comply with Canadian tax laws. Corporations with PEs in Quebec or Alberta, for example, must file a capital tax return. All tax returns must be filed within 6 months of the end of the corporation's tax year. Canadian corporations must file a tax return every year. Canadian corporate tax preparation in Edmonton. If you have a business in Edmonton or anywhere in Canada, hiring a Canadian corporate tax preparation service can be a good idea. Not only will you get a high-quality service for a reasonable price, but you'll also be able to rely on them to ensure that your business is operating within the legal guidelines of the Canadian tax laws. These accounting and tax professionals are able to handle everything from bookkeeping and payroll to GST, HST, PST, and QST. CRA's proposal to introduce a new corporate tax in Canada. The CRA's proposal to introduce a corporate tax in Canada includes several significant changes to the existing tax regime. First, it would allow certain businesses to benefit from lower tax rates on their eligible income. The CRA's proposed new corporate tax in Canada would require certain corporations to report certain transactions, including those that are deemed abusive or interest-based. The proposed new tax rules for corporations will be implemented in phases. This is aimed at allowing businesses to get used to the new reporting requirements. This means that businesses will not have to file an information return for the 2020 calendar year. However, the information return reporting requirement will still apply for all calendar years after that. To file a T2 form for Canadian corporate tax preparation, you'll need to use a certified corporation internet filing software program or CRA-approved software to file your return. Filing your return electronically is advantageous for many reasons, including faster processing, lower mailing costs, and less paper consumption. In Canada, corporations must file their annual return by the last day of the month following the tax year. However, if your corporation is located in another country, you must file your return by the last day of the 6th month after the end of the tax year. If you prepare Canadian corporate taxes, you will have to file your return electronically through the e-file process. In order to do this, you must use a tax preparation software certified by the Canada Revenue Agency. Normally, corporations with a gross revenue over $1 million Canadian dollars are required to file their federal CIT returns electronically. Corporations are required to pay their Canadian corporate tax installments on the last day of the month. Bookkeeping is an important service that adds tremendous value to a business. To be successful, bookkeepers should offer a combination of services to a client, including maintaining a ledger and linking accounting software to a client's bank account. BOMCAS Edmonton Tax Preparation and Accounting is a professional tax accounting office with a team of dedicated professionals who provide accounting and tax preparation services to both individuals and businesses. Their services include corporation income tax preparation and individual tax preparation. A firm that specializes in the preparation of the best returns in Edmonton will be able to sort out the numbers and math to get your refund as quickly as possible.